Oil-free dressing, number 69 method. I zapped everything up in my Kuvings SV-500 vacuum blender, adding the ingredients a little at a time to the various vinegars until I got the desired consistency. Ingredients: 1 lemon with skin, 1 navel orange, peeled, 5 cloves garlic, peeled, 1 broccoli stem, some edamame, some sunflower seeds, marjoram, Italian parsley stems, 6 strawberries, half banana, 6 Mazafati dates, pomegranate vinegar, strawberry and grapefruit vinegar, 2 teaspoons super seaweed, 4 teaspoons dried mixed herbs, 2 teaspoons Chaat Masala, 1 dried Yidu chilli.
Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to show your support.